Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some exciting news today, and that is that I am now a brand ambassador for a company that I found on Instagram. I absolutely love what this company stands for, and it's all for empowering women and women empowering other women, which is really, really great, and it's definitely something that I stand for. I have some notes on the business that I would like to share, and it's a company called Boss Babes. They were founded a year ago by a woman named Megan, and their mission is just to spread empowerment to fellow women through their items that they sell on their website called the Boss Babe Co. I can link the website down in the description box below, and I also have a shirt that I want to share with you guys, and also of course a discount code, which is the best part. With this organization or business, 20% of the profits go to various organizations that empower women globally, which is really, really awesome. So I'm going to open my package that I got in the mail yesterday that I'm super excited for, and that way I figured I would show you guys the reveal too. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! I absolutely love it. Can you see it? Just says empowered women empower women, which is absolutely fantastic. That's what we need in this day and age. But all right, guys, that is it. I will link my description down in the description box below, and that way you guys can use my code for 30% off, and I'll see you guys on the next video.